Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Canva templates. Templates are one of the easiest ways to create professional designs without starting from scratch. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. On the Canva homepage, use the search bar to find the type of template you need. For example, I'll search for YouTube thumbnail. After searching, Canva displays many ready-made templates. Some templates are free, while others have a Canva Pro icon. I'll choose a free template for this tutorial. Now I'll click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. As you can see, the template is fully editable. I can click on any text and replace it with my own words. I can also change the font size, text color, and text position. Next, if I want to replace an image, I simply click on it and upload my own photo from the Uploads section, or choose another image from Canva's library. I can also add icons, shapes, stickers, or other elements from the Elements panel. If needed, I can change the background color, resize objects, and rearrange the layout to match my own style. The best thing about Canva templates is that you don't have to design everything yourself. You simply choose a template, customize it, and make it your own. This saves time while still giving you a professional-looking result. Once I'm happy with my design, I'll click Share, then Download. I'll choose the file format I need, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, and then download the finished design. And that's it. That's how you use Canva templates to create amazing designs quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.